Hello YouTube, this is Hemant and you are watching HMR Moto Diaries. It's almost a year I started riding and the main problem which I faced was a riding comfort. Sit on a CB Hornet is absolutely rubbish. After a continuous ride of 15 minutes, my butt start paining and sometimes it's become unbearable. So I start research on the internet for the solution. Soon I came to know about an air cushion seat. There are 3 brands who used to make such a products. One was international brand called as a Airhawk, which gonna cost me around 7,000 plus customs. Another was an Indian brand called a Ride on Air, which cost around 5,000, which was still expensive for me. Then I got to know about a Hyderabad-based company called Fuel a Dream, which make a same product at a price point of 2.5 to 3,000 rupees. So I ordered it and today I got this delivery. Here I am unboxing this product called as a Fegofloat. Packing was not up to my expectation. I thought they would send it on a cardboard box like an Ride on Air would do. That's the main product and here are some instruction manual. You can pause the video if you like to read it. Less air, more joy. You need to fill just 20 to 30% of air in it. And it will take 3 days to adjust it with your comfort. This is the warning guide for the leather on it. Now let's have a look on a Fegofloat. This is the rain cover especially for a leather on it. The stitching looks proper. The leather material look like a premium quality. This is the nice handle provided for carrying. This is the elastic strap so that you can hook it up on a bike seat. Here is the main part of this product. It's an air pocket and yes, it seems like a heavy duty plastic rubber material. The air is filled into this pocket. And this is its cover. It is a partly leather and a partly mesh fabric which make it more breathable. And this is the wall through which air can be filled up by using your mouth. It is easy to fill up and easy to deflect the air. So this is just an unboxing video, not a review video. I will take some time to use it on my rides to review it for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit a like, share and subscribe and follow me on Instagram for latest update. Peace.